You participate a lot in real estate seminars. Why would you say it's important for any buyer, particularly a first-time home buyer, to get into a good seminar before starting the process?
Because then you're going to start the process ahead of the game, right? Because you're going to have information. So you're going to learn about the different programs that you may qualify for, right? You're also going to learn, usually at the seminars, there's a home inspector there. And the home inspector is going to explain to you what a home inspection is and the benefit of it. So you'll have that knowledge. And then sometimes there's a credit repair person at the seminar. So if you don't have the credit now, they'll show you or they'll explain to you or they'll sit with you and tell you, okay, this is your credit score. Now you need this in order to qualify. I'm going to help you get there. Let's see how to get there. And I think that with that information, with that knowledge, now you're able to go out and find something that you like. Because I think, listen, we all want $1 million house, a $2 million house, right? But we have to sit with someone and realize, well, right now, not that you will never will, but right now I don't qualify for that, right? So I think that when you go to a seminar and you speak to an agent, they'll be able to guide you in the right direction. And the lenders there also, and they'll be able to guide you. And the home inspectors there, and they'll be able to guide you. And I'll be there, and I'll be able to guide you. And I think that, the more information you have, the better it is. So when you start looking, when you are ready, you're armed with the knowledge that you need.